My dear friends, 33rd Sunday is the last Sunday of this liturgical year. In a way, we are ending this year with this Sunday because the next Sunday we celebrate the feast of Christ the King. Since this Sunday is coming on the 14th of November, I felt I must say something about the Children's Day. Every year on the 14th of November, we celebrate this day in memory of that great Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who said, please don't celebrate my birthday, but celebrate that day as the Day of Children. Jesus loved the children too. When the children were brought to him and the disciples said, don't disturb him, Jesus said, no, let the children come to me, for theirs is the kingdom of God. He took each children and he made gestures to show that he loves them. He hugged them, he kissed them. Why did he do this? Because he felt that children are a gift of God. My dear brothers and sisters, we all love our children because they are a gift given to us. But I need to reflect a little with you. Are we really people who care for our children? Yes, we do. Because we give them whatever they ask. Times have changed because earlier we didn't have enough things to give to our children. Sometimes we could not afford what they asked. There were many children in the family. But today, more often, there's one child or maximum two children. And we often feel, my child should not suffer what I suffered. I must give that child whatever they ask. But in the bargain, what is happening? The children are becoming stubborn. Children don't care for their parents. Children feel we are so independent, we can do whatever we like. Now this is something that is not good for our children. Because we got to see to the future of our children. The morality with which they are brought up. The things that they see. The people that they meet. The people that they interact. All this matters. We as grown-up people, we as parents, as teachers, or any other people who are looking after them, has the responsibility of grooming their future. And therefore, we must give them those values which are very, very important in life. The values that will teach them how to respect the elders, how to respect their other brothers and sisters, how to respect their nation, how to understand the differences in our own communities. These are basic things. If these things are not taught, they will become terribly selfish. A time will come, they will not care for you when you are old. My dear brothers and sisters, there is another point that I want to make. The environment in which we are living. More and more people are aware now things are getting bad. Very especially in the atmosphere. Who is going to take care of it? We. Because the future of this nation or the whole world depends upon us. What we do and what we don't do. Therefore, we must insist with our children and also insist with others that we cannot exhaust the resources that we have. We need to be slow. Try to understand what is happening. That is exactly what Jesus says, building of the kingdom of God. The kingdom of God where there is love, where there is generosity, where there is understanding, where people are ready to come together, where people don't believe in fighting against each other. This is the kingdom of God. And that must begin with us and with our children. The values which we give to them matter a lot. So today, I wish all our children, wherever they may be, whichever religion, caste they belong, a happy Children's Day. Childhood is a wonderful time. Let us not leave that. And let us understand of the poor people who cannot look after their children. Let us go out of our way to be of some help to them in whichever way possible. Be it be education, be it be giving them some money so that they can come up. During this corona period, people have been suffering. If we look out of our own houses, we'll know that there are many, many people who are suffering. Let us do something for our children. They are our children, our nation. Thank you. May you have a wonderful day. God bless you.